So it seems I'm having issues with my headlights again on my Dodge. What's been going on is the two little tabs back here that hold your headlight assembly in have broken on both sides. They are just plastic, and apparently it's quite common. So my headlight bulb burnt out, and I bought a new set for about 68 bucks, stuck it in, and then the other one burnt out. So I stuck it in, and then they both burnt out. So I upgraded to a $100 set, and they just both burnt out within 2 days. And turns out what's going on is because of those tabs are breaking, my headlights just kind of wobble a little bit, and it's burning out the bulbs. So I've had enough. I really don't want to spend all the money for a factory replacement. If I'm going to get a factory replacement headlight assembly, I might as well upgrade to something I like. But those are about $600 or $800. So for now, my temporary solution is I'm going to try these Vivid Lumen LED Conversion Kit. What do we got for part number? Anyway, I got these from Gilbert's Auto Parts, bumper to bumper. And then you get some LED conversion bulbs. I think it was about 160 bucks for all of it. And all that's required is a T27 Torx. There is 2 bolts to remove from each headlight. And then you need a self-tapping screw to mount these. I will unwrap them in a second. So let's swap them out and see what I think of these LEDs. I've never tried a set of LEDs aside from my big lights, and they are just awesome. So I might as well make them all LED. So, of course it happened on my way to work, and it's a Friday. You can see right there in the front of this one, it's actually broken. And then right on the back side, right there, it's ripped that one out and left it in the hole. And the other side, it ripped out a great big chunk. Ripped out half of it, and that was just normal driving. I don't do any off-roading with this. It doesn't see gravel roads. It's all highway and hauling cars. So I guess we'll stick this new set in, figure out where I just want to mount it. It's literally one screw to mount the actual kit, so we might as well unpack it. So this is a Vivid Lumen Industries H13 kit. Part number H13D-2. And what you get is you get that. You get 2 of those. It literally just plugs into your existing harness. That one plugs into your bulb. And then you just have to mount it, which I think I'm just going to put it right there. I think that's the best spot to be out of the way of the headlight, and still will reach the other end will still reach the bulb. So let's mount it and install it. So we have a set of Philips, can't even read it, LED-HL9008 LED bulbs. And yeah, it's getting dark very quickly, so I'm in a bit of a hurry because I can't go home. So I got that one in already. What I ended up doing was I couldn't mount it on that little side pillar I showed you right here, because when the headlight comes in, it was just hitting it. So I managed to mount it down there, and this is the cool little bulb you get, and it does have a little extension, so you have a little extra length mounting it. But we are literally right underneath the washer bottle, just on that cross brace. One screw holds it. Let's get this thing in together before it gets dark. Okay, we are all back together. Let's turn them on. I'm not sure how the camera is going to feel about this, but those are definitely brighter, and that's my low beams. Wow. And of course I have bigger tires than stock, so that usually means everybody's going to high beam me, but those are really bright. You can see below the yellowness of my fog lights and kind of a factory looking bulb versus those. Holy, what a difference. I better do some recording on the way home. And there's the, that's just 2 of the big ones. Those ones are about 300 bucks each. The outside ones I have to replace a switch. I got 2 that aren't working because I got a switch in the dash that is giving me grief. So now we get to drive it home. So I've driven a whole block with the new headlights. And they're absolutely spectacular. Oh my goodness, what a difference. I am switching my wife's car immediately to these. It actually made me realize how out of adjustment my headlights are because of the broken tabs. Which explains why people high beam me quite often. I didn't realize they were so out of adjustment. Hang on, gotta get my keys. They are bright white. And I don't have my microphone right now. Alright, let's go for a drive down a dark road on the way home. I'll try and count how many people high beam me tonight. I think my windshield's a little dirty. Gotta clean that up so we can see better. Wow. That is a crazy difference. Definitely a good solution to my broken headlight assembly for now. We'll see how long they last, but they should do good for a while until... oh, I got high beamed already. I'm only 2 blocks from the shop. Alright, I'm going to count on the way home. So that is just my low beams. And the camera doesn't actually show how good they really are, in my opinion. Because I can see so much better. It's amazing. And I've had 2 people high beam me. Low beams, high beams, the big lights. Wow, they are awesome. I guess I have a big trailer on and I didn't air my airbags up, so my back end might be sitting a little low too, so... I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. I recommend them to everybody. I could go on and drive all the way home, but I don't want to waste your guys' time. So that's it for today.